Greetings and welcome to one more edition of None of My Business. And here we talk of everything which is but not related to your job and profession. And today we talk to Dr. Priti, a very motivational speaker and a renowned author from Muscat, who said, "Hasta la vista."
Arnold Schwarzenegger, Terminator 2.
Exactly. It was Arnold Schwarzenegger from the film Terminator. Which food can instantly change the mood of an angry spouse?
For my spouse, it will be aloo ka paratha.
Can you sing two lines from a song on love? Please. Please.
It's a love song, right? Okay. Zara zara महकता है आज तो मेरा तन बदन मैं प्यासी हूँ मुझे भर ले अपनी बाहों में. That's much.
Does a man look cool with beard?
It depends on the man. Like my man looks cool without the beard, and yes, many people look cool with beard. Like Shekhar Kapoor, he looks cool with beard.
It depends on the person.
It depends on the person. Yeah, it depends.
How many chickens will it take to bring down an elephant?
Why are you asking me such tough questions? I seriously do not have any idea. I've never thought of it. No idea. Seriously.
Okay. Your choice: a day without smartphone or a night without sleep.
I'll definitely choose a day without smartphone. Desperately need it. There are days when I also feel that, my body is aching, my hand is aching, and I really need to get off the screen, any kind of screen for that matter. So I really do not want any kind of smartphone or a gadget in front of me for a day. Given an option, I'll go for option without a smartphone.
Did you ever steal anything in your childhood?
Tricky. Yes, I did. I did steal some of the pencils from my maybe classmates when I was in KG.
Pencils? Why were you so fascinated with pencils?
Pencils, yeah. Not exactly fascinated. I might not be having one that day. I might have been scared with the teacher scolding me, so I would have avoided the situation by stealing somebody's pencil for the safer side.
In the next 30 years, what will be the thing that people will be nostalgic about?
Hugging each other. Because now the 1 year of Corona, according to me, has already given this distance between us. So I think the first hug which we say that it's gonna hit you. So we have not cordially, we are not meeting people anymore that ways which we used to meet, with zero distance between two people when we used to hug each other and all. So I think hugging is, if this continues, I would add here, if this continues, then I'm sure that this hugging part will be definitely missed. If 30 years down the line somebody hugs me, I'll say, oh, 30 years back I hugged someone. Yeah.
I like the answer, Dr. Priti. Indeed, you are right. In the next coming years, we will really miss the human emotion and bond. What has been the most annoying experience that you ever had with a guest who has come on a visit in your place?
Not having food that I made. Not annoying, yes, because it has happened a couple of times that I have tried to cook something which I really want them to taste it, but they have not tasted it out of whatever reason. But yes, it has happened a couple of times. I felt bad because it requires a lot of efforts to, almost a whole day goes into cooking and, arranging things. So at least a tasting of the thing is definitely required. Yes.
So next time, me and my friend Shadad will be your guest, and you won't be definitely disappointed.
Definitely, please, most welcome, most welcome.
Which Disney character suits you?
Jerry.
Jerry. Okay, Tom and Jerry. Imagine you're stuck in traffic and I'm the driver next to you on a different car and they start honking, bang, bang, bang. How will you react?
Okay, you're doing this, bam, 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 right? So I'm saying, you want to fly over me? You can please go over to my car. Please be my guest. I don't normally shout like that. I'll not. I try to maintain my cool because I'm a little more tensed over my own steering. When I'm on myself driving, then I'll be a little more tensed about my own steering rather than being tense. Yes, but it is distracting. So definitely, I'll just take a side and move to another lane maybe.
What is more important in life, experience or innocence?
So I would go with experience. Experience matters, and you learn things with time, and experience will definitely add to your learning. So because a graduate can be learned, but the experience backed it up with the experience, you can always, things will go better when it is experience.
Dr. Priti, thank you very much for joining us in our show.